Good afternoon, everybody. It's Lisa checking in again to say hello to my friends. How is everybody doing? So today I am going to show you a subscription box that I won in a contest. It's called Virginia Banana. I won this contest on Facebook. And the nice lady sent me this package this week. So I'm going to cut it open and let you know what's inside. This is a lifestyle subscription box with houseware items. And it looked really cute from the website, so I kind of know what I'm getting. But I thought I would open it on this YouTube video. So the company again is named Virginia Banana. But they're not located in Virginia. They're actually located in Michigan. So go figure. Ooh, pretty. This is the packaging. They have a nice card. Spring, clean your mind, body, and soul. This month's box is all about springs, the sense they get you to feel that you get to feel a grapefruit, palmarosa, lemon, patchouli, coriander, cypress, bergamot, and tea tree. Wow. So this is a yearly subscription, or you can sign up monthly. So let's see what's in here. Oh, the packaging is very pretty. Got the VB for Virginia Banana. Let's see what we got. Oh, so this, you all know what this is. I don't need to tell you that. This goes with, looks like cleaner. Oh my God, I can smell it from here. Smells delicious. Whatever kind of cleaner that is. Oh, Virginia Banana Clean It Up Cleaner. It's non-toxic, multi-purpose home cleaner made with all the good stuff. I'm gonna smell it. Oh. There is a seal on it. That's awesome. So you know this hasn't been tampered with. That's really important. Okay. Oh no. I thought I was going to have trouble opening that. Oh my lordy. This smells so good. I wish I brought my readers over here. Let me see if I have a pair. Oh, I do. Okay, now I can see better. Vanity, but let's put on my pink readers. I'll be able to see what it says. Oh, well, the main ingredient is distilled water, organic coconut oil, organic olive oil, organic hemp oil, organic jojoba oil, citric acid, and then some other ingredients. Also contains essential oils of palmarosa, lemon, patchouli, coriander, pink grapefruit, cypress, bergamot, and tea tree. And this is a really good size. This is 16 ounces. So you see that? Virginia Banana. So this is an all-purpose spray cleaner, which I'm definitely going to be using. Smells, for a cleaner, it smells delicious. Could be like a fragrance. It could be perfume, but it's not. It's definitely a cleaner. So you don't want to spray that on your body. Ooh, the second item I'm taking out of the box is a candle. This is wow. It says best until 5/15, so May 15th, or was that the pack date? can't really read it. But it's a really, oh, very nice candle. Beautiful packaging. It says, don't be a silly banana. So obviously fire is hot and can spread, burn within sight, keep away from things that catch fire, keep away from children. You know, the basic things when you light a candle. Keep it in a safe place. Don't leave the room unattended. Don't leave it unattended. But it's really pretty and it has a really cute little wax seal on it. The kind you used to put on letters, you know, to seal envelopes and stuff like that. Really nice. Very high quality. I'm impressed. Is there a size? Let's see if there's a size. It's just a spring clean candle. So I would say at least 5-ounce candle. Very nice. What else? It is pretty. Just gotta look at the packaging again. These are matches. Oh, beautiful packaging. Spring, clean your mind, body, and soul. So these are nice matches from Virginia Banana. And unfortunately, the last thing in the box, because I really like this box, I don't want it to end, is a Grapefruit Lip Balm, which is also sealed. I'm not going to open it yet, but I guarantee you it smells like grapefruit and is delicious. And if you're like me, I am a lip balm, lip gloss, lipstick fanatic. I love it. Probably keep at least 10 in my purse at all times. I just don't like dry lips, and I just like flavors. So back in the day, I always used to buy Bonnie Bell when I was a teenager. I still use Bonnie Bell, and I love flavored lip glosses. It's all things girly. So this was the Virginia Banana subscription box. Their website is probably virginiabanana.com. Oh, they're on Facebook at Virginia Banana VB, and they're on Instagram. So I highly recommend you check them out. They sent me a lovely gift basket. I believe if you were to purchase a monthly subscription, this is $46. And I know that it is a little pricey, but I can just tell by looking at all these items that they're really high quality. And I mean, this is glass. This is not plastic. And the cleaner just it almost smelled like perfume. And I really like the products. I mean, you're gonna pay more for good products. Let's just face it. I can tell these are handmade, made in the United States, which is really good. So thank you, Virginia Banana, for sending me this wonderful gift box. I really appreciate it. I hope my subscribers check it out. Go to them on Facebook and Instagram. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you disliked it in any way, give me a thumbs down. I'm fine with that too. Please comment below. I love your comments. And lastly, I'd so appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I have more content coming, and when you subscribe, it makes it easier for me to provide content. So have a great day. Bye.